In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wholesale area to your Shopify store, no coding. Shopify Online Store 2.0. We're going to set up a clean, professional wholesale area using a trusted app. And the best part is that everything happens inside your Shopify admin. No code required. Start by logging in to your Shopify dashboard. From there, head to your Apps section and choose to add a new app. When prompted, open the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find the tools that power wholesale functionality without touching your theme code. Use the search bar and look for a wholesale solution called Wholesale Gorilla. It's designed to create a gated wholesale portal, apply custom pricing, and manage access for your business buyers. Click into the app listing to review its features and pricing, then select Install. You'll be asked to approve permissions and confirm installation. Go ahead and complete that. If you see a second install or confirmation screen, accept that as well to finalize the setup. Once the app is added, you'll land in its dashboard. Begin with pricing rules. This is where you define how wholesale pricing works on your store. Percentage discounts, fixed prices for specific products, or tiered pricing by collection. Take a moment to think through your margins and minimums so your wholesale structure makes sense for your catalog. Next, open Customers and Access. Here you control who can see wholesale pricing and enter the wholesale area. Most stores use customer tags or approvals, so only qualified buyers receive access. Make sure your approach aligns with how you onboard wholesale accounts. Move on to shipping. Wholesale orders often have different shipping needs, larger cartons, freight, or free shipping thresholds at higher order values. Configure rules that match your operations and clearly communicate any minimums. Then review checkout. Decide how wholesale customers will place orders. Some stores use draft orders or special checkout options to handle terms and approvals. Ensure your tax settings and payment methods are appropriate for business buyers and reflect your policies. When those core settings are dialed in, visit the online store section within the app or your Shopify admin to see how the wholesale portal integrates with your current theme. Many apps add a dedicated wholesale page or login. Verify it appears the way you expect and aligns with your storefront branding. Finally, open Account and Settings inside the app to confirm your plan, general preferences, and any branding touches available. Save your changes as you go. With that, your wholesale area is ready, organized, secure, and tailored for your B2B customers